Welcome Vols, and thanks for watching our tutorial on the roommate matching process. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a roommate group. There are 3 steps to creating a group. Step 1 is to search, Step 2 is to message, and Step 3 is to accept. There are 3 methods to search for someone. You can search by percentage match, roommate matching profile response, or someone's roommate matching code. We're going to show you how to do all 3 in the housing portal. At the bottom right, you will see the 3 searching methods. First, we'll show you how to search by roommate matching code. Here you enter someone's individual code. To find your roommate matching code, click Edit My Roommate Matching Profile and you'll see your code. Now we'll show you how to search by roommate profile answers. This page asks you a series of questions that can help narrow down the search for roommates. For example, this question, which is asking about your preferences towards living with an animal. The last method of searching for a roommate is by percentage match. Here the system suggests potential roommates to you based on how you match according to your profile answers. The next step is to message your preferred roommate. You can send a message through the University Housing Portal. You may also see people's social media handles in their profile, and you can connect with them using that. After talking, invite them into your roommate group by clicking Send Roommate Request. Here's how to do it in the portal. The last step in creating a roommate group is to accept the invitation. Return to the roommate matching page to accept. And remember to leave a roommate group if your plans have changed. It's important to note that roommates have to be added before the roommate matching deadline and before room selection begins. Here's how to accept a roommate invitation in the portal. Navigate to the roommate matching page and scroll down to see an incoming request. You will have 3 days to accept this request once it has been sent.